Hey, what's up guys? Welcome! The incredible Galaxy Z Flip is Samsung's very first vertical folding smartphone and we have just received the official renders for that. This is how the smartphone is going to look from the front. The bezels are indeed a bit thicker, but that is probably required for the folding mechanism. And then on the top we have the punch hole. From the back, this is the design Samsung is going for. We have a dual camera setup, so it's not going to compete against the Galaxy S20 Ultra. We have 12 megapixels dual aperture standard and then another 12 megapixel ultra wide shooter, basically the same as the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The front camera is of 10 megapixel. We get two colors, this very funky, a bit girly, purple pinkish, and then we have the manly black. The glass panel doesn't cover the complete backside as we do have a little bit of metal frame near the bending location and the glass is just above and below that. This little smudge you can see over here is the secondary display of 1.06 inches and will be useful for checking time and just about nothing else. We have the volume rockers and the power button fingerprint scanner on the right hand side. At the bottom we have the charging port, the speaker, the microphone, no headphone jack, and on the left hand side we have the SIM tray. Samsung has also placed two C-shaped bumpers on both of the bottom corners to absorb some shock if you slam close it too hard, and this should give it longer life and some additional safety. Doesn't necessarily look that good though. This time the display of the smartphone is covered with ultra thin glass to give it more scratch resistance, unlike the original Fold which had a plastic display. We have the Samsung logo in the middle integrated on the folding mechanism just like it was on the original Galaxy Fold. The specifications are Snapdragon 855 Plus, 8GB of RAM to 56GB of storage, a 6.7 inches Full HD display, 3300 MAH battery. So this is not going to wow fanboys with crazy specifications, but it is trying to sell on the new design philosophy, same as what we have seen from Motorola Razr. Okay specs but really awesome design. The price now. This is interesting. Earlier it was rumored to be really cheap, coming at $700-800, but according to our new leaks, the price is going to be $1,400, twice as much as originally expected, and this new price puts it head to head against the newly announced Motorola Razr. Both will be competing for the same market. The Motorola Razr have more history and Samsung have more brand value. So if you guys are given a choice to buy either the Motorola Razr or the Galaxy Z Flip for the exact same price, which one would you get? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. You should also follow me on Twitter from the link in the description. And as always guys, thanks for watching.